In draw toolbar, last command is hatch command. For hatch command, I create a rectangle. I select rectangle command and draw one rectangle here. Now select hatch. Here are some patterns for hatching. I select this pattern and click inside the rectangle. In properties, you can select the hatch properties. Solid gradient pattern. I use pattern, so I select pattern. From here, you can select the hatch line colors. I select red. It will be turned into red color. From here you can customize the background of the hatch. I select yellow, it will be yellow, so I select white, it will be white. I select none. From here you can customize the hatch transparency. I select and see here. From here you can customize the angle of the hatch. I select here 20 degree. The hatch lines are rotated at a 20 degree angle. From here you can customize the hatch scale, increase or decrease it. Next is the hatch origin. You can set the origin at anywhere. In options, here is first is associative. In associative, extend the shape of rectangle. The hatch will regain the shape of the rectangle. Now select hatch. Now if I deactivate this associative boundaries, now I edit this rectangle. The hatch will not change its shape, but the rectangle is changing its shape. So this is the main feature of the associative. Press Ctrl plus Z. Next is annotative. For annotative, I create this rectangle and create two circles here. Now select hatch and select annotative and select here. This rectangle is selected but not these circles. Now go to options. Now here is the option outer island detection. If I select normal, it will select inside and outside. If I select here outer, it will only select outer. It will select, if I select ignore island detection, it will hatch all the area. Next is match properties. If I select this hatch and change its color and change the scale of hatch, okay, press escape button. I select this hatch and click on match properties and select this hatch. This hatch will take the properties of this hatch. From here you can transfer the properties of hatch. If I select this hatch, change its color to green, press escape button, select this hatch, match properties and select this hatch. This hatch will take properties of this hatch. If you want to give the solid hatching, select this hatch and here select hatch, and from here you can customize any color. I select red, it will be converted into red. Now we create hatching with the open sketch. I select polyline, select ortho mode on and create one shape here. Press escape button. This sketch is open at this point. Now we apply hatch. I select hatch and select this. It will show here is the sketch is open. For that, go to options. Here select gap tolerance. I select gap tolerance 4 mm and now click here. It will asking the hatch boundary is not closed. What do you want to do? Continue hatching this area. Do not hatch this area. I select continue hatching this area. See here, this hatch is activate on this open sketch area. You can also customize the hatch with the gradient. I select this hatch and from here select gradient. In gradient, our hatch will display in two colors. Here are patterns of hatch. From here you can customize the colors, which color you want to apply the hatch.